Our top focus this afternoon is on Shiv Sena mouthpiece Samna in its editorial coming all out to criticize the UPA and a divided opposition over the farmers' deadlock. Samna in the editorial slammed UPA, saying that even after 30 days, the farmers' protest has failed to yield any result because the central government does not think of it as a threat and that the Congress and UPA have failed to mount pressure on the government. The Sena has also said that Rahul Gandhi is doing enough, but still there's something lacking in his leadership and that Congress needs a full-time president. Interestingly, they praised Sharad Pawar. Shiv Sena suggested that UPA needs a revamp and Sharad Pawar is the only visible face. The editorial also added that a progressive alliance should gather more regional parties to corner the Bharatiya Janata Party.
बीजेपी एक मजबूत स्थिति में है, मोदी जी का नेतृत्व मजबूत स्थिति में है, लेकिन उनके सामने यूपीए जो है उनको भी एक संग एक मजबूत ताकत के रूप में हमको बनाना पड़ेगा। ये हमने आज कहा है। आज तो मुझे दिखता है कि शरद पवार साहब इस देश के ऐसे नेता हैं जिनकी बात सब लोग सुनते और मानते हैं, मोदी जी भी मानते हैं।
इस प्रकार का अपमान वो कब तक सहेंगे? क्या सिंहासन के लालच में कांग्रेस ने अपना स्वाभिमान खो दिया है? लिखते समय शिवसेना नेता यह भी भूल जाते हैं कि वे भी एक विरोधी दल में हैं। केवल और केवल शरद पवार जी की चापलूसी छोड़ करके इन्हें और कुछ दिखता नहीं है। सत्ता की लालच में इन्होंने मां गांधारी के भांति अपने आंखों पर पट्टी बांध के रखी है। ये पट्टी कब खुलेगी, ये सवाल है।
Mustafa Sheikh is joining us live from Mumbai. Mustafa, any reaction that's come in from the Congress? They are, after all, Shiv Sena's ally in Maharashtra.
Well, it's likely that the Congress will not react to it very nicely, but the official reaction from the Congress is yet awaited. The important point here is that Shiv Sena is saying that other regional parties like the Trinamool Congress have to come together and UPA will have to have a strong leader so that a strong opposition can be pitched against Narendra Modi and the BJP. They have also, because complimented Sharad Pawar, it is a direction in which the Shiv Sena is slowly moving, that they think that in the coming near future the opposition in India would be led by Sharad Pawar, and hence Sharad Pawar is also going to meet Mamata Banerjee in West Bengal. Back to you.
Okay, that will be an interesting development as well. But the Shiv Sena seems to be batting now for Sharad Pawar to take the lead and become the UPA chief. We'll be tracking the latest political reactions. Mustafa, for the moment, thank you for joining us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.